Hello everyone. So I don't typically review things like mints or, energy products or things like this, but this company decided to send me this product to review and I figured why not? So these are essentially standard mint candies, but they have caffeine and a couple other substances in them. So let's see what it is. They have niacin, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12, and caffeine, 40 milligrams per pill. Now, if you go on their Amazon page, and there are quite a few reviews that seem to say they don't like the taste of the mints. Now, I just want to start off by saying one thing is that these are not mint candies, they are energy mints. So you can't really judge them by the same category as you would just standard mints. Now, to me, they taste good. They taste pretty much like a standard wintergreen flavor mint. Maybe like a very slightly more bitter taste. Very, very little, but once again, this isn't something I'm just eating all day. This isn't a candy. It's an actual product to provide you with energy. So if it has a very slightly different taste, I really don't mind. And I enjoyed these. They worked well. And they're fairly large. Whoop, got one rolling away. Let's see, we got a couple here. That's something for size. Usual polar seltzer can. So as you can see, they're fairly large size, but honestly, I don't mind. And overall, like I said, I do like the taste. It is slightly bitter. And if you're worried about this, I think you should just buy one pack and try it out. There's no reason to buy 50 and then dislike it. This is a candy, or energy candy. So if you don't like it, then not everyone likes every type of flavored candy product. They have about 40 milligrams of caffeine in them. And I tested these for a few days. First day I just took one. I usually drink a cup of coffee, one of those Keurig large, I usually select a large size. So I did feel a boost from this. It definitely woke me up. I had energy, I didn't drink any coffee. However, I think if you're somewhat of a regular coffee drinker, you might want to try two. The first time you should obviously just try one, but you might need two because two is more approximate to the amount of caffeine that is in a cup of coffee. I handed these out to a few nearby coworkers and had them try one. The results kind of varied. I think the energy effect is good, but the taste is bad. That's the honest truth. Well, shit hit me, I'll tell you. I'd say the second swallow I felt it kick. I feel great. Shit works. Just intense. Nope. Gross. I spit it out. Tastes like ass. Mints taste funky. Had me sweating. They seem to work. I'm spinning. Also, I had the second mint, and now I'm tripping balls. Now looking at some of these comments, you may be a bit skeptical. But don't be, because the product works. It gives you energy, it wakes you up, and yes, the taste may be questionable. And personally, I really think it has a perfectly normal taste. Like I said, it tastes slightly more bitter than a standard candy, like a wintergreen mint or whatnot. But I honestly barely noticed anything. And if you're wondering, is this for me? I think you should buy a pack and try it. Because the effect is good. You might like the taste. And if you don't, try something else.